This year, we faced challenges together, and through it all, we proved that we are stronger as one. The journey was not always easy, but we were never alone. Together, we stood firm, supporting one another with trust and hope. This Christmas, we give thanks for how far we've come, and we look forward to the coming year with a clear purpose, steady hearts, and confidence in what's ahead.
Lalawigan naman ng Batangas.
Bawat tahanan ilaw ay kumikislap, puno ng pag-ibig, halakhak at mga yakap. Sama-sama nating damhin ang saya, Paskong Pinoy na kay ganda. Sa gitna ng bawat hamon ng buhay, may liwanag na gabay, tulong at pag-asa laging kagapay. O Pasko, saya ng Pilipino, kahit simpleng handaan, busog ang puso, may tulungan, may kasama, pagmamahalan, walang hanggan, kasama mo sa bawat hakbang. Kamfin Landing Inc. kakamfin mo sa pag-asenso. Sa bawat kwento ng pagsisikap, nariyan kami sa iyong pagharap, tiwala't malasakit